Okay, so I haven't found a video that teaches you how to pair Atomos Shinobi monitor with a Sony camera and how to use a LUT. One thing I used to always get is clients saying, why does it look so desaturated, or why does it look so grayed out? And I'm not necessarily utilizing the LUT for that reason. I mean, by now I know how to shoot in Rec 709 and how to view things in log, but having access to the visual with a basic Rec 709 conversion goes a long way. So I've built a LUT that you directly load into your Shinobi, and from there you have a better idea of what it's going to look like in post once it's converted from Rec 709. I'm giving away this LUT for free. You can find the link in the description below. Yeah, go to town, feel free to use it, and let me know what you think. Once you've loaded the SD card with the new LUT, you're good to export. Put the SD card in your monitor and turn it on. You go to your main menu, go up to the top where it says Mon, click that. And right now you'll probably be on Rec 709. Let's just leave it on Rec 709 for now, and then we change it after we load the LUT in. So you go over to the LUT menu, go on to number 1, and click that little file folder in the bottom left corner. It'll bring up the main directory of the SD card. Click on the main cube file that you just loaded onto it, and on the bottom right, click Load LUT. On this screen, it says it's going to take a few minutes.
Estimated time 12 minutes, so this should take about 5 or 10 minutes.
It's going to say LUT load complete, click confirm, and now you've got the LUT loaded in. You're probably noticing that it's not looking any different. So you're going to want to go over to the monitor tab, bottom left, you want to click on the LUT. And from there, you've got it loaded. Something that's really cool that you want to maybe test out, and actually it's kind of a useful tool to have. Go over to your LUT tab, and on the far right side, you can see the compare. So if you turn that on, half of the screen is going to be Rec 709 and half of the screen's with the LUT now installed on. It's always nice to know that trick just in case you want to see it without the LUT. So you're good to go. And you've now got a Rec 709 LUT loaded onto your Sony camera using your Atomos Shinobi monitor.